Hi guys, welcome to Family Create. I hope you're all doing well. So this is the new Watch Ultra, the white version that we've got recently, and you've probably seen in some of our previous videos that my husband really liked this color. The watch itself is really nice. Obviously the strap itself is, the new design is really nice, where the strap goes into the body of the watch. Sadly, this particular strap is really huge and bulky, especially with the attachment here. It's actually very strong and it doesn't bend, it doesn't go anywhere, so it really sticks out. So he's got a new strap which is really nice, and I thought I'll share our experience with you guys quickly. So here it is. It's from Amazon. It's very cheap actually. It's only, I think, £7.99. I'll leave a link in the description box for your information. So here it is. It's a really nice color. It's almost like sage green, a dark sage green. It's a beautiful color and it feels really nice. It gives almost that suede feel, but it's not suede, it's silicone. It's very nice. Anyway, let's try it on and show you guys. So I really like the new release mechanism on the new Watch Ultra as well. So you press the button and it releases, and then to put it on, press the button and it's on. Quick release is what I really like. And there you go, both on. So let's try it on, see how it looks. Obviously the watch is huge on me. I still really like it. So you've got the one button there to hold, and obviously put it on wherever is best comfortable for yourself, and then remainder you kind of nudge it in. There we go. I can get another, I guess slightly loose, but I can get it a little bit tighter, but I think it's comfortable fit. It looks nice actually. I really like the color, and I think with the white, the sage green looks really nice. It goes really well. I think when Samsung gave the extra strap with the pre-order, they gave orange, which was really bad choice of color, because if you got a white, you don't want another orange with that. You want something more subtle, perhaps gray or another pastel color, but they gave it orange. That wouldn't have looked so bad if it wasn't so spongy and fluffy. Anyway, that looks really nice. I think it looks good with the white titanium and the silver trimming as well. Comment down below and let us know what you think of the color, and do you think it goes well with the white. So this is from a company called TiMOVO, and is sports band compatible with Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra 47mm. This color is dark green, but it looks very close to sage to me. Anyway, the strap is from Amazon. There are options of multiple colors. I'll leave the link in the description box for your information. Do check it out if you're interested. I must say this strap makes the watch feel and look slimmer, compact and lighter. I mean, look at this side here, nothing sticking out here. It's nicely tucked in. The strap itself is thin and flushed against your wrist, and compare the strap here. Look at the thickness and this, how thick and how much that sticks out. So it's actually, I think, makes the whole overall look of the watch more appealing, and kind of nice and neat and lighter and compact. I like it more overall, I think, the look now compared to before. It just looked a bit untidy before with the white strap sticking out on the just here. What do you think? Comment down below and let us know your thoughts. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you find the video helpful. If you have, please do give it a like and support us by subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, do take care. Bye bye.